Creative patterns can turn ordinary visuals into scroll-stopping content, and today you'll build one from scratch with full control. How to design creative social patterns. Launch Photoshop and start a new square canvas around 1500 pixels so the layout suits social media formats. Select the brush or shape tool and design a playful element in the center, choosing lively colors that match a modern social aesthetic. Duplicate the element layer and reposition copies diagonally using the Move tool while holding Shift for straight alignment, then rotate a few duplicates with Free Transform so the arrangement feels energetic rather than rigid. Adjust opacity on selected layers if you want overlapping depth,